All right, that was my pink lemonade concentrate that I let thaw. And I put that right in my large Cool Whip. We're gonna go ahead and grab a bowl with that Cool Whip that I took out and dump it right in there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious no-bake treat that your kids will love. So we have our concentrate, we have our 16 ounces of Cool Whip, and then we are gonna add some whipped cream cheese. This is gonna be so easy and so delicious. There's so much sweetness going on here that you need the cream cheese to add like a little savory element. And we're gonna go ahead and put this entire 12 ounces of cream cheese in there. Beautiful. Now we are gonna go ahead and just blend these two together. You kind of just wanna fold it all together so that the Cool Whip doesn't flatten, but this is gonna be incredible and have the most beautiful pink hue to it that anyone will love. All right, this looks absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want a more vibrant pink, you can add some food dye, but I'm gonna keep it as is. All right, let's put this to the side, and I'm gonna bring in my mini graham cracker crusts. These are the most adorable things that you can find in the store, and we're gonna go ahead and just line them up in our muffin tin for easy traveling, just like this. Perfect. Now I have here an ice cream scoop, and we are gonna scoop our delicious pink lemonade mixture right into our mini pies. Now, if you can't find the mini pie crust, you can do a big pie crust, and you will have plenty of mixture. You could probably cut this mixture in half if you do a big pie crust. Oh my goodness, look how fluffy and delicious this looks. This would be so cute for a baby shower or a little girl's birthday, because that pink color is just adorable. All right, let's go ahead and fill these up quickly. All right, and we're just gonna kind of give this some light tapping so that they flatten out. And then these are gonna go in the freezer for 1 hour. All right, you guys, it is time to finish these up. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Ready Whip to do a nice little dollop on each mini pie, just like so. How cute is that? Literally the cutest, easiest mini pies you could ever. Everyone will love them. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon zest for some extra color, because who doesn't love lemon zest? I'm gonna do the best I can to get that lemon zest on there. I do need a new zester, one that works better, but you know, we work with what we have.
It works when you tap it.
And just get some beautiful bright yellow onto our pies, and we'll add some great flavor to it as well. All right, that looks good enough. I cannot wait any longer. It's time to give this a try. Oh my God, our little Cool Whip pies, so yummy and delicious. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the graham cracker, a little bit of the whipped cream. Ooh, tart, sweet, and delicious.